I and this is okay. I guess this is okay. All right, and this payment is okay. And lastly, this road here. I don't know who the laborer was for this task in the stage one, but clearly his task is too weird and too ugly.
You can check, Paul. Click on the task name.
No, that is not for the stage one. That is not for stage one. You understand?
Okay.
And also the checker and reviewer who are doing the checks work for this kind of task. I don't know how you could allow this task being approved. Anyway, my whole point is when you see such big error from the stage one result, try to fix it. It's that is not what we expect to see. Let's continue to see some more of the urban residential urban task. So start from here. Once again, the stage one result. What is this? Right? I'm so confused. How can you allow this being approved as a checker? And continue to the first block. The pavement looks pretty good, right? There's nothing much for us to do. And for this case, it's blocked by the shadow of the building. So we don't want to waste our time on those ambiguous cases. And for here, right, this is a missed payment. This is clearly a paved. So let's use the filling tool to capture it quickly. And let's continue. This is also paved, right? For here, there is a swimming pool. So in this case, guys, we can use the cutting tool. So use the cutting tool to draw and then switch to the arc tool again, and then switch back to the cutting tool like this. Make a cross, and then you can change the category to the swimming pool. I didn't do it perfectly, but always easy to fix. All right, and rest of the payment, let's see, it looks pretty good. All right, this is a payment. It's not a sidewalk. Swimming pool, that's good. Payment driveway, that's good. Payment sidewalk, and there is a missed payment here. This is the bare land. If you can tell, it's okay. Just capture as payment. This is also payment, and there's a missed part, right? This is very obvious. Capture as payment. Driveway, sidewalk, payment, and this one in the middle, payment. This one is not swimming pool, it's payment. And the shape of the system result is not very reasonable. That is not how the man-made feature will look like, right? The rectangle makes more sense. Let's continue. This payment, that's good. And for here, it's a very obvious paved, right? Well, mark it as payment. And then we can check on this side. For here, I think this is a missed part of the driveway actually. So I'll just do driveway for this. And for here, this is very bad capturing. This the grass in the middle has been captured as a payment. So let's fix outside shape first, and then I will use the cut tool to cut it. And just remove it. And that's good. And this is part of the payment, so I'm going to reclassify um, the sidewalk, and the middle part is payment as well. So capture as payment. It's all good. And for here, it is missed part of the driveway. All right, so let's make sure that you capture that. Sidewalk is good. This part is payment. Yeah, system results is doing pretty good job on the um, regular residential area, and we can continue check more. Be careful and be patient when you are in this area. It's a missed part. Let's capture it. And the system result is doing pretty good job in my opinion. And there is a missed payment here, right? Very obvious. And this part is bill end, right? It's a fake payment, so just delete it. Same thing here. As you can see, there's very clear grass right here, so I'm going to exclude that. More example like this with missed payment. Swimming pool. This shape looks good, and nothing to be fixed here. Pavement, swimming pool, that's good. So for this kind of ambiguous cases, just follow system result. If the shape is good, then you don't need to fix it. If the shape is reasonable, then you don't need to fix it. All right, and this part, I will say this whole area is actually payment. So I'm going to just capture this. And I don't want this weird angle up here in my result, so I'll just delete that. And some payment missed here, and also at the backyard. So when I'm dealing with the features along near the boundary, I will try to not touch the boundary. And like this is not a sidewalk, right? This is just a payment, and there's more missed. Payment. Fix the shape. When you see this is very obvious payment, just fix the shape. And this part is this is driveway. All right, I guess that's it for this task. It's pretty, and by the way, this weird shape must be fixed. And when you see that this is not a paved area, then you remove that. All right, so this task is done. So this is very easy. Around the residential area, just fix follow what you see, accept system result. Don't overthink on the ambiguous cases. Fix the shape to a reasonable and a regular shape. And if it's clear, If it's clear, then remove the fake payment and use the filtering tool to capture the missed payment. Then that will be everything for this urban area. It's actually very easy. And if you lastly, you see the wrong result. If you see a very obvious wrong result of the stage 1,